All right, so this is the dual lens pan tilt security system. It is battery powered and it charges with solar. And this thing is actually phenomenal. Like, this thing is crazy cool. First off, in the box, you get the solar panel to charge this thing up, and it comes with a very nice and long USB-C cord. You also get the security camera, which we'll come back to, and you get the mount that you can mount this thing on a wall or on the ceiling. And it also comes with all the screws and everything that you need to mount this thing and the solar panel. So not only is it battery powered and the solar will charge that up, it's got night vision, it has motion detection, HD live video, also that pan, tilt, and zoom, and it is IP65 weatherproof. This thing has dual lenses on it, which is kind of an interesting design. And so on the app, it's really crazy because you can actually drag around where you want this thing to turn to and get the better views. But that makes it really cool because then you can use this thing to look all around your house, but you also have a different lens to kind of see the other angle as well. So you kind of get both things covered there. It doesn't do a full 360, but it goes pretty far from one end to the other. It's about 270, I would say. So if it's up against the wall, you'll still be able to view everything that you need to. It has a built-in spotlight, so it can illuminate the surrounding areas with relevant motion, and it will just make it brighter, and that way you can get crisp color detail even in low light settings. There is two-way audio, so you can talk to whoever's on the other end through the app, and you can hear them back. So you can basically say, get away, or leave the package in the door. And that motion detection will give you alerts on your phone. So if someone does walk through and it's smart and knows if it's a person, it will give you that alert saying that there is a person detected at your door. But looking at the app, this thing is really cool. It's really easy to set up, like really easy to set up. Also through the app, you can adjust the speed of it as well. If it's too fast or if you need to be slower, you can adjust all of that. You can take photos, you can record within the app, or you have the SD slot on there as well that you can put an SD card in. You can also connect to their cloud storage, and you can save all of that information on the cloud. Plus, through the settings, you can do so much more. You can rotate and flip the image if you need to. You have different scene modes. You can change the activity detection, and also when you want that motion detection to be on, maybe you don't want it on all the time, just certain times. You can also have a device alarm on, which is going to be a nice loud alarm, scaring off any intruders or whatever. And there are some other settings that you could play around with. And in my opinion, using this thing, first of all, it looks really sleek. It has all of the bells and whistles that you want in a security camera, plus it's got that PTZ effect and dual lenses. So you're really covering all of your bases when you're trying to monitor your area. And the quality is really good, and the night quality is also good. It's everything you need in a security camera. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.